Hello everyone, Gautam Reddy here. I'll be showing you one of the best Bank Nifty option ATM strategy in which we got 80% success rate. So let's go ahead in depth about the analysis. How to know the precise levels of Bank Nifty, whether we are in buy on dips market or sell on rise market. First important thing which we need to know at the time of opening of the market is all about whether market is forming the weakness or whether market is developing the strength. So here I am showing you the exact methodology. Let's go ahead in depth analysis right now. So if you observe the Bank Nifty opening of like 35,571 levels, this is the area zone where we got opening during the day. So if you see the entire opening and if you observe the previous day closing also, we are just below the moving averages. Already it was in sell on rise market and it has formed the weakness during the opening. So this gap down opening of like 60 to 70 points has given a clear trend cut for the weakness formation in Bank Nifty. So if we observe the shorter time frame also, I'll be showing you with the example with the live proof at the same time. So if we observe the 5 minutes time frame here, it's already in the weakness formation. So we need to observe the second scenario is all about whether market is developing a weakness or it is just acting to take the U-turn. So this is the first step which we need to conclude ourselves for the weakness formation. So how to take the exact entry price in which region? So once we complete the 5 minute short pattern, this is the area zone where the weakness continuation is forming in Bank Nifty. It is a 100% sign of sell on rise market confirmation. So and let's go ahead for the ATM strategy of like 35,500 put where to take the precise entry level. This is the area zone of like 330 rupees in which 35,500 put of Bank Nifty option ATM. This is the entry level. This entry level will show the strength of the move for the upcoming candle. So if we observe the upcoming candles also, we got the perfect breakout range. This is the entry down level of 330 and this is the breakout range for the big move of like 200 points in just 20 minutes. In just 20 minutes, we have grabbed almost like 200 points to the area zone of the Bank Nifty 35,500 put. So this is how we need to grab the best moves in the market. So how to know where to take entry and where to take exit? This is the main key question every trader is having. I'll be explaining you in detail right now. So where not to trap here and how to take the perfect confirmations and how to wait for the more confirmation for the weakness. So this is the area zone where we got the sign of the strong weakness and this is the area zone where we got the breakout in puts. Whenever we get strong breakout in the puts in 5 minutes pattern and once we have completion of the 15 minutes short pattern of 1, 2, 3. This is the confirmation of the 15 minutes pattern and after 15 minutes we got the perfect breakout near 330 region. And you may be getting some doubt that how can I manage my risk? Whenever we are taking any kind of financial instrument, there is risk involved. Please remember this very carefully. What it may be, whenever it may be, it doesn't matter. In any kind of financial instrument, there is risk involved. If you know the perfect risk management, then only we can grab the big rewards in the market. If you're failure in managing your risk, you're 100% failure in getting the big rewards of the market. Just everything you do in hurry burry, just grabbing like 5 points and 10 points. This is not the healthy way of trading. Healthy way of trading is taking the right precise entry and wait for the perfect exit. How to know the perfect exit? Always remember, whenever we are getting the big candle on the top side and big towards the support range, it is a 100% sign to take the exit based on the trailing, or you can take the 100% exit. There is no worry in that. But make sure to trade in a healthy manner. See, if we have taken the perfect entry around like 330 level and our stop loss is 300 range. This is our stop loss. So always focus on the stop loss. First, we need to focus on the stop loss once we enter into the trade. Next, we need to focus on our target. So if you observe the entire scenario of the bank, if it slowly it is stepping down towards like 35,250 levels. Below it came down and this is the base formation. After completion of the base formation exit, we have seen another consolidation range for the remaining part of the day, and don't try to chase everything whatever you're seeing in the market. That is a bad habit lot of traders are having. So once you complete the healthy way of trading, next wait for the particular setup, whether market is coming for new sell on rise or market is going for buy on dips market. Here we haven't seen any kind of strength development crossing the overall sell on rise market, so it didn't happen. So that is the reason, once we get proper profits, healthy way of profits, just stop the trade for the particular day and wait for the new setup. Once new setup formation forms, then we can grab the next upcoming move in the market. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have any queries, kindly visit our blog. I have mentioned in a clear well path here where one can understand in a step by step basis. So thank you so much for seeing my video. Make sure to join my live WhatsApp group and live trading which I am going to conduct on every day morning 9:15 a.m.